how to change lock screen or home screen wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. Next in here, tap on change wallpaper. Now there are some pre-built wallpaper that you can select. So in here, we got the feature wallpaper. You can select. These are the default one, interactive wallpaper. And then you can go down here and choose pictures from your gallery. So if you want to use pictures from your gallery, you can do so. And you can set it as wallpaper. So you can see that's the wallpaper over here. On the left hand side is the lock screen wallpaper, and on the right hand side is the home screen wallpaper. So you can choose whether to apply to one of them or both of them, and then tap on next. In here you will be able to customize your lock screen and home screen. So in here we can customize such as the clock, add widgets, and adding shortcuts. After that, tap on done. So if you don't need to customize your lock screen or home screen, you can simply just tap on it and then select wallpapers and then change it to a different one. This time we'll probably select one down here. So we've got graphicals, colors. So by scrolling down, there are more available wallpapers for you to choose from. So here I can choose this colorful wallpaper as well. Then tap on done and then tap on the back key. So here on my lock screen, this is my wallpaper for the lock screen. And this is the wallpaper for the home screen. And that's it. Another way to change the wallpaper is on your home screen. You can touch and hold, then go down and tap on wallpaper and style. It will take you to the same settings page where you'll be able to make changes to your wallpaper on the lock screen or the home screen. So I can change the wallpaper here back to the default and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.